Hey everyone, I was in the shower last night washing my hair and I thought, I know what I'm going to do my next product review on. I'm going to do it on our TrueSmooth hair products. So we've got our shampoo, our conditioner, and our hair rinse, and this is with apple vinegar. I'm going to tell you just a little bit about them so you can decide if you want to check them out. I've been using them for a while. I really do like them. The shampoo will lather even without those harmful ingredients that cause lathering, so they did get a formula that would lather up in your hair. So let me tell you a little bit about it. So our 3-step regimen was formulated to hydrate, smooth, and restore shine to your hair. While prepping for styling and heat protection. So if you dry your hair a lot and use curling irons and heat on your hair a lot, these are designed to help protect that. We are featuring the best of science and nature in this all-purpose everyday hair care regimen. It's supposed to help repair damage to dehydrated locks and deliver vibrant smoothness and enhanced shine. So that's what they say in the Arbonne thing. So anyway, this one is our shampoo, and it's really awesome. You don't need a lot of it. And then this is the conditioner, and you do have to turn it to unlock it. So make sure if you're like, oh, I can't get it to work, you have to turn it to unlock it. So let me tell you a little bit about the dirty truth. Most hair care products contain ingredients like sulfates, silicones, and parabens that aren't ideal for your hair, your scalp, or even to absorb into your skin. You know, it only takes 26 seconds for the chemicals in your hair care products to absorb into your skin and get into your bloodstream. We gotta think about that. We think about what we eat, and we try to protect ourselves from the things we eat, but do we think about our cosmetics and our hair care and the things that we're putting on our bodies? It's still absorbing through our skin. So sulfates are a detergent responsible for the suds in the lather in shampoo. The concern is it ends up drying out the scalp, so that's why we don't want those. The silicones are artificial layer formed on the hair strands that help detangle hair and smooth the appearance of frizz. So that sounds really good, right? But they can build up on your hair shaft and make your hair appear dry and weighted down if you continue to use it. And parabens are used as a preservative and to keep from growing bacteria in the formula while so it can sit on the shelf or while you're waiting to use it. But it could cause irritation for some. It could cause other health issues too, but you can Google what those different things can cause. Our hair care products use vitamin B5, hemisqualane, I'm probably not pronouncing that right. So the B5 helps to hydrate and bond to smooth the hair fibers. Hemisqualane enhances heat protection, and the apple vinegar helps to cleanse oils from the scalp while also helping to seal the hair cuticles for smoother, manageable, shiny hair that's ready to comb through and style. So those three things work really well together. So you can use these every day. Keep them in your shower. We've also got some other products. We've got a curl cream. Don't have a sample of that to show you, but it is in a bottle that's a little bit bigger than this. I don't have any of those. My hairstylist, my other consultant, Betty, her clients really love the curl cream. So if you have curly hair, check out the curl cream. This one is a daily leave-in treatment. We also have a pomade. Anybody seen Oh Brother Where Art Thou? Oh, I can't even talk today. So Oh Brother Where Art Thou, and his pomade problem. He really used that up a lot. We should have got this to him. But anyway, we've got that. We've got these. We've got lots of other hair care products that don't have all those harmful chemicals in them that you can use on your hair. So that is my product review for the day. As always, we're vegan certified, cruelty free, gluten free. We're certified B Corporation, so that means we also look for the environment. These are actually not plastic, they're metal. These are metal cans. so you can, they're better, easier, can't talk today, easier to recycle. So definitely check on the Arbonne website. It's Arbonne Cycle, and it tells you how to recycle the containers of the Arbonne products that you use. A lot of them you can just save them all up, clean them out, put them in a box, and ship them back to Arbonne, and they'll recycle them. Even our fizz sticks, the packages, we usually just we burn a lot of our trash here in the country, and so we can usually just burn ours. But if you really want to recycle those little packets, just save up a box of them and mail them back to Arbonne, and they will recycle them for you. So just check out my website, ConnieSemi.com, for more videos, or make sure you subscribe, you click the bell, you like this video, you share, all of those things. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I'll see you later.